Welcome back, Mystery Seekers. Today we're traveling to one of the greatest hidden discoveries in America, a place where a catastrophe from millions of years ago is still shaping the world around us today. Chesapeake Bay, Virginia. Beneath the waters of the Chesapeake Bay lies a secret so massive that no one knew it existed until the 1990s. And here's the strange part: the evidence had been sitting beneath people's feet the entire time. Scientists discovered that hidden beneath the bay is a gigantic impact crater nearly 56 miles wide. But what created it? And how did such a massive scar on Earth remain hidden for millions of years? Let's investigate. The mystery begins. Imagine standing on the shores of Virginia about 35 million years ago. There are no cities, no roads, no Chesapeake Bay, just forests, rivers, and ancient wildlife. Then suddenly, something arrives from space. Scientists believe a large asteroid or comet slammed into Earth at incredible speed. The impact released more energy than thousands of nuclear bombs combined. The collision vaporized rock, blasted debris high into the atmosphere, and created a crater nearly the width of an entire county. The explosion was so powerful that it permanently changed the landscape of the region. A secret buried in time. Normally, giant craters are easy to spot. You can see them from the air, you can walk around them, you can even see some from space. But this crater was different. Over millions of years, rivers, sediments, and ocean deposits slowly buried the evidence. Layer after layer of sand, clay, and mud covered the impact site. Eventually, the crater became completely hidden. Generations of people lived in Virginia without realizing one of North America's largest impact craters was directly beneath them. The mystery remained buried for over 35 million years. Fast forward to the early 1990s. Scientists drilling deep beneath the Chesapeake Bay began finding something unusual. The underground rock formations didn't look normal. They found shattered rocks. They found strange layers of melted material. And they found something called shocked quartz. Shocked quartz forms only under incredible pressure, such as a nuclear explosion or a major asteroid impact. Researchers also discovered tiny glass objects called tektites, which are created when rock melts and is launched through the air during an impact. The evidence became impossible to ignore. In 1993, scientists confirmed the existence of the massive Chesapeake Bay Impact Crater. A mystery hidden for millions of years had finally been solved. Why it still matters today. You might think a crater this old wouldn't affect us anymore, but you'd be wrong. The impact still influences the region today. The crater changed the underground geology of Virginia. It affects how groundwater moves beneath the surface. It influences local aquifers that supply water to communities. In some areas, salt water trapped by the ancient impact still affects groundwater quality. Even though the asteroid struck millions of years before humans existed, its effects are still being felt today. That's pretty incredible. Even though scientists solved the mystery of the crater itself, some questions remain. Was the object an asteroid? Or was it a comet? How large was it before impact? What did the surrounding landscape look like immediately afterward? How many species were affected by the event? Scientists continue to study drill cores and geological samples to learn more. So, while the crater has been discovered, the full story is still being uncovered. Imagine the impact. To appreciate the scale of this event, imagine a space rock striking Earth and creating a crater wider than many cities. The shockwave would have traveled for hundreds of miles. Tsunamis may have surged across ancient coastlines. Debris would have fallen from the sky across large portions of North America. And yet today, most people driving through Virginia have no idea that one of Earth's greatest natural disasters happened directly beneath them. Sometimes the biggest mysteries aren't hidden in distant jungles or remote mountains. Sometimes they're buried beneath places we pass every day. The Chesapeake Bay Impact Crater reminds us that our planet has a history far stranger and more dramatic than many people realize. A massive collision from space, a crater hidden for millions of years, and a discovery that changed our understanding of the Chesapeake Bay forever. What other secrets might still be waiting beneath our feet? Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep seeking the truth. Download the Mystery Seekers app in the Apple App Store and begin your next adventure today. Remember, every address has a mystery. The question is, will you discover it?